Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. I'm gonna teach you how to take photos of yourself with your own telephone. Super easy. I'm gonna show you now where I took the photos. This is just a corner of my house with some sunlight in the back. I will be sitting with the sun in my back and the tripod to hold my telephone. The settings I will be using is the portrait settings and the front camera. The third setting is also of the portrait I liked the most, but you can choose what you want. Look at this, it's already a nice photo, playful. The sun in the back gives a really nice effect. I am terrible taking photos, let me say. I am just, not photogenic at all. But I feel more comfortable when I take my own photos, and I have more patience with myself instead of having a photographer taking my photos. For example, look at the results already. And later I'm gonna teach you where I did editing. There is no Photoshop on these photos. And then, yeah, if you look, it even looks like, oh, she's so sweet, right? Makeup was super easy. I am no master of, look at this, super nice. Oh, sweet. No, she's a bitch. It's just a very simple makeup. I'm terrible with the makeup as well. But it's like playing and trying to find what is the most interesting position, or the position that you think that you most attractive, or that you prettier. Another position, another place in my house here. This is just a corner of my house with a wardrobe, some light, but there's nothing special about it. It's just a white wall. So still the front camera, portrait settings, and then I'm using the timer. There is no remote control. Look at this, I have a belly, it's terrible, but everything is about position. Belly inside, and then you can take nice photos. And then notice as well that my leg goes to the front, and then it gives the contour, because everything in those positions is about contour. Look. And then of course with position that you look more proportionized. I'm going to quote Eureka, the drag queen. These are some results. Look at this. I would say there's nothing special about the background, but it's more about position and a little bit of editing later. When I was taking these photos, the window cleaners were coming, and then I had to stop. It was really funny. I looked like an idiot for real, but who cares? I don't care. And then look at this, a little closed. And this is my left side. I used a little highlighter on my cheeks. I like the effect, but the makeup is just the same since I started. It's just the same. There's nothing special. I really suck into makeup. Look at it. Yeah. But I also like the frontal shots. And something about giving value to the things that you like about yourself. I like my nose, but I don't like my cheek. So how can I enhance something that I like? I also like the contour of my hair, but it doesn't go the way I want all the time. So it's a lot about finding the position that you think that you prettier. Remember to put the one of the foot in the front. Look at me, completely bored already and annoyed with myself. So now another position, I'm sitting on the floor now, tripod is really low now. But the position of the camera is a little higher, so it goes from higher down, taking photos. Again, the other side is just sitting, nothing special. I would say that what is special here is the light. The light, you see, it's even. It's not the same situation as the previous location with the lights in the back where you had the flare from the sun. And then it's just finding the position that you like more. Oh, look at this, so dramatic, so melancholic. Oh my god. If you look, you would think, right? Look at this, terrible. But I like the effect. I would say that even the editing, I like a little the blue. These are other photos I took without the jacket, sitting a little further with the tripods. And let me show you the app that I use to edit. This is VSCO. I love it. I love the colors. I love the effects, but there are plenty, believe me, there are plenty apps where you can just edit the photos the way you want. I would say that for me this app works best, or maybe it's just my preference in terms of colors and results. These are the photos that I like the most. In total, I took, I don't know, like 100 photos, but I liked something like 10-20 photos. If you want to use these photos, for example, for your Instagram, for your feed, it's nice to use like 2-3 photos at the with the same settings. For your Instagram to have a little bit more consistency, I would say. So that's all for you guys. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I catch you later.